Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 9. I hope you all are fine, healthy and safe. Now let's continue our chapter Introduction to Computer with the topic History and Development of Computer. The basic periods of computer history. Computers have been divided into three basic periods: Mechanical Age 1450 to 1840, Electromechanical Age 1840 to 1940, Electronic Age 1941 to present. Mechanical Age. A mechanical computer is built from mechanical components such as levers and gears rather than electronic components. Here are some examples of mechanical computers. Abacus. An abacus is like a manual calculator which was invented about 5000 years ago. This device allows users to make computations using a system of sliding beads arranged on a rack. Early merchants used abacus to keep trading transactions. In 1612, John Napier made the first printed use of the decimal point and invented logarithms and several machines for multiplication. Best known of his machines was the bones or Napier's bones. This device consisted of a set of 11 bones or rods with numbers marked on them. By placing these rods side by side, products and quotients of large numbers can be obtained very easily. William Outred in 1622 created the slide rule based on Napier's logarithms that was to be primary calculator used by engineers through the 19th and early 20th centuries. Basically, a slide rule consists of two movable rulers placed side by side. Each ruler is marked off in such a way that the actual distances from the beginning of the ruler are proportional to the logarithms of the numbers printed on the ruler. By sliding the rulers, one can quickly multiply and divide. Pascal's calculator is a mechanical calculator invented by Blaise Pascal in the early 17th centuries. It has 8 movable dials to add numbers up to 8 figures long. Pascal's device used a base of 10 accomplished this. For examples, as one dial moved 10 notches or one complete revolution, it moved the next dial, which represented the tens column, one place. When the tens dial moved one revolution, the dial representing the hundreds place moved one notch, and so on. The Pascal's device could only add and subtract, while multiplication and division operations were implemented by performing a series of addition or subtraction. In 1694, a German mathematician and philosopher Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz improved the Pascalian by creating a machine which works via the binary system, a machine without wheels or cylinders, just using balls, holes and sticks for the transport of the holes. A Frenchman, Charles Xavier Thomas, invented a machine called arithmeter in 1820 that could perform the 4 basic arithmetic operations: add, subtract, multiply and divide. As long as the computer consisted of only gears and levers, its potential use was limited. A new machine needed to be developed. The real beginnings of computers as we know them today, however, live with an English mathematics professor, Charles Babbage. He is credited as the true father of computing. In 1822, when he proposed a machine to perform differential equations called a difference engine, powered by steam and large as a locomotive, the machine would have a stored program and could perform calculations and print the result automatically. The analytical engine was a proposed mechanical general purpose computer designed by English mathematician and computer pioneer Charles Babbage. It was first described in 1837 as the successor to Babbage's difference engine, a design for a simple mechanical computer. Electromechanical age 1840 to 1940. Electromechanical computer, an early type of computer that used storage wheels, rotary switches and electromagnetic relays and was programmed by punch paper type. In this age, punch card data processing technology was used. Punch cards were invented about 1750 for the control of textile looms and were adopted for use in Herman Hollerith in the 1890 US Census. A punch card is a piece of stiff paper that can be used to contain digital data represented by the presence or absence of holes in predefined positions. Digital data can be used for data processing applications or used to directly control automatical machinery. Punch card was used for the data input, output and storage. The tabulating machine. The tabulating machine was an electromechanical machine designed to assist in summarizing information stored on punch card. In its basic form, a tabulating machine would read one card at a time, print portions of the card on fan folder papers, possibly rearranged, and add one or more numbers punched on the card to one or more counters called accumulators. Electronic age 1941 to present. The computers in modern age are described as an electronic computers because these are made up electronic components and uses electricity to operate. Electromagnetic relays was the main development of this age. Electromagnetic relay is an on and off device. It is a switch that typically is used to control high power electrical devices. Electromechanical relays are used in many of today's electrical machines. When it is vital to control a circuit, it contains electronic parts that make it possible to operate them for many different applications. Mark I, designed by Howard H. Aiken in the year 1944, it was based on electromechanical relays. It was about 15 meters long and the wires connecting the various parts of the machine were about 800 kilometers long. The machine was slow and took 3 to 5 seconds per calculations, but it was the first fully automatic calculator. In fact, vacuum tubes were up to 1000 times faster than electromagnetic relays. That is why electromagnetic replaced by vacuum tube, and this is where computer generations begin. The computer is classified into 5 generations, which we will discuss in my next lecture. Homework task. Jazakallahu khair.